What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we have a day trading recap. Unfortunately, it's a red day. Check it out. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this. I have one live trade for you today on IMRN. This stock was up over 100% at one point today. And it seemed like it was going to, possibly give us some follow through on a bounce back breaking over VWAP, but it's just not there. Very choppy markets, guys. With the exception of IMRN, which has made a very nice move. I didn't play it because I just didn't have any faith in the market today. With the exception of this, there's really not much to talk about today. IMRN had a real nice push. It has news today on some news with BYND. Pulled back in and, made a new high. But then check this action out. Let me see if we can get rid of this little box. I want you to pay close attention to this because this is something that I really like to trade often. Whenever I can catch them, and it's bear traps. So we had this real nice push. We pulled back, made a new high as we popped back up, and then we had a real nice retrace, like very bearish, okay? Because we made a new high and instantly pulled back underneath $9. Right here, shorts got confident. However, we bounced and continued on to make huge new highs all the way up to 1140 and change. Okay, so everyone that got short here thinking we're gonna roll it over, come back on down to $8, just got squeezed out completely here. Look at this volume, continuous volume on the way up. I'll keep watching this. Don't think I'm gonna trade it. I think I might just keep this red day as it is. Very manageable. Just lost 60 something dollars today, and see what's gonna happen tomorrow maybe, or might not even trade much for the rest of the week. We're really getting into that summer action right now where everything is very choppy, very lack of volume. You'll see a new high made, complete retrace. It's just very choppy, and it bounces, makes new highs. So it's just really choppy market conditions right now, and I'm not really I'm not seasoned enough to say, okay, you know what, I'm gonna push it here. I'm gonna keep trading. It doesn't mean I'm going to stop trading. Doesn't mean I won't take any more trades this week. I'll probably, sit down and see what I see. If I see something good that I feel confident in, I'll take a trade. I'm trading smaller right now, compared to last week and the weeks before. I'm trading smaller right now. We got to protect this capital, protect my mental capital as well. And, we'll wait when the market shows me that it's worthy of my newbie money, then I'll put it back in there. Meanwhile, we'll trade small and we'll trade extremely picky. IMRN is what I traded today. I started watching it around here, and noticed VWAP, was resistance here. We pulled back in, held this area. I actually thought about getting long in here, and I didn't. I should have, because I probably would have taken at least some profit here. Held on to the rest with a stop at VWAP. Let's see, yeah, you can see it all there. But however, I waited. We had this big push over VWAP, then we kind of pulled back in, and it reminded me of yesterday's, what stock was it yesterday that made a similar move? I don't remember. Maybe you do. Drop in the comment section below, but it had a very similar move to this. Broke over VWAP, turned right back in, held the whole dollar area more or less in the 90 MA, and then it made a real nice push later on. But this is my trade. I got in right here as we had tested this VWAP, pulled back in. I saw the 90 MA was support here. So I thought I'm gonna get long here, just very small size, 200 shares. If we see that we're gonna start moving, I'll add to my position and start taking profit off in front of $7. But I'll take a starter here, which I did on this pullback. I took a starter, and my stop was gonna be just underneath the 90 MA, that $6 whole dollar area. See, it was kind of resistance in this area here, $6. Now all of a sudden we're pulling back into $6 where the 90 MA is at. So I have prior resistance now should be acting as support, with the 9 EMA coming up there, which has shown to be prior support so far this morning. So I'm thinking I have 2 lines of support right there. I should be able to take at least a starter position here very safely. And I do. That's exactly what I do. I'm in just 200 shares. You know, I'll add if we start to break up above 650 and show some oomph, you know, so we're going to hold it. But doesn't want to bounce off of $6. It stops me out here pretty soon. Now we'll get a little flash, and that's it. I'm stopped out. It's extremely short trade. I just jumped in, set my stop out, and it instantly stopped me out. I mean, you've seen some of my previous trades last week, you know, 20-minute trades, hour-long trades. This was like a few seconds. Haven't had a trade that quick in a long time, and sadly it's to the downside this time. But that's it, guys. That's all I have to report, and I'll show you IMRN where it's at right now. So this is why you don't hold on, holding and hoping. You can see that it's all the way down here at 520s now. So we had this fake out here, pull back into what should have been support, and a fade. Shorter's dream, honestly. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. What did you trade? Do me one quick favor. Help me out. Brighten up my day a little bit and subscribe to the channel. Check out the new video I'm dropping up this week, which is going to be titled 4 or 5 Things I Haven't Decided That School Doesn't Teach You. If you want to see that video, then make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.